Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Blue Willow on Discord. So let's begin. So here we are in our browser, and this is the first thing that you need to do. You need to go into bluewillow.ai so that you would be able to join their server and you would be able to use their services. So once you are here, you want to tap or click on this one, try now for free, which has the Discord button. And after that, you would be invited to their server right here. And as you can see, I am now in their server right here. So once you're prompted like this one, you want to click on Join Blue Willow AI. And let's click on that, and we would be able to join their server. And let's go, and you would be answering this right here. I want to just go for bot status, or depending on what you want. So in my case, I'll just go for English right here. And self-fill. And once you have completed answering all of those, then you can just go here into creating a Discord server, or you could just go into the rookies right here, and you could just actually type in here /imagine. This is how you can create or generate this image right here. /imagine is the command, and you want to click on this prompt right here, and after that you want to type your prompt. So in my case, I'll just go for a cat portrait with Spider-Man costume, maybe just like that. But in my case, this is just an example, okay? So you can just use your own, but I would also be using I'll be showing you how to use this Blue Willow in your own Discord server without going here into the rookies channel. So what you can do is create your own Discord server and create my own from your friends, and you can name your server right here. And let's go for tutorial server, and let's go and create. And after that, you want to go back into the, after you have created your server, you want to go back into the Blue Willow server, and from here you want to go and find the Blue Willow bot. Here it is. So you want to click on the Blue Willow bot, and from here you want to click on add to server, and from here you want to click on the server that you have created or you want it to add. So tutorial server, and then continue and authorize. And you want to answer the captcha or the security. So from here, I'll just go for this one and this one and this one again. And now it's done. It has been successfully added. So let's go into our server. And as you can see, Blue Willow just landed right here. We have the Blue Willow bot. So from here in our server, we can now go for /imagine, and we can use the commands in Blue Willow. And from here, we can create our own prop or our own images. So right here, let's just go for LeBron James wearing a Spider-Man costume. This is an example. So let's just wait for it. And exciting prompt, stay tuned for the results. And because I don't have any subscription right here, it's taking very long. But this is basically how you can use Blue Willow in your Discord. I hope you find this video helpful.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.